You are tired of mopping the floor only to realize you just pushed dirty water around, aren't you? Well, what if your vacuum could wash your floors with clean water at the exact same time? I spent the last few weeks dragging dirt, spilled cereal, and quite literally mud across my floors to test the most popular vacuum mop combos out there. I really wanted to see which ones actually scrub away the grime and which ones just make a wet, smeary mess. Let me explain what I found. 6. Shark AW261 Vacuum and Mop Combo. Shark usually makes great stuff, so I went into testing this one with pretty high expectations. It looks sleek, it is relatively lightweight, and the marketing makes it seem like the absolute perfect quick cleanup tool for your kitchen. Here is what matters with the AW261. It uses a specialized brush roll system designed to grab dry debris while simultaneously wiping the floor. I threw some coffee grounds and a bit of spilled milk on my tile floor to see how it would handle a classic morning disaster. It sucked up the mess fairly well on the first pass. But, well, here is where the reality check comes in. The suction power just is not there for anything heavy. If you have sticky messes like dried jelly or mud that has been sitting for an hour, this machine really struggles. You end up having to pass over the same spot 4 or 5 times, and even then, it leaves a bit of a sticky residue behind. Then there's the battery life. I mean, you get maybe 20 minutes on a good day if you're running it on the standard mode. If you have a larger house, you're going to find yourself running back to the charger constantly. It's incredibly frustrating when you're right in the middle of cleaning the living room and the thing just dies on you. It's okay for a tiny apartment or if you just need something for really light everyday dust. But for the price, I honestly expected it to tackle real-life messes much better. 5. BISSELL Crosswave Pet Pro All-in-One Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop. You have probably seen a million ads for this thing. It is incredibly popular, especially for people with dogs and cats. I have a golden retriever, so I was really eager to see if it could handle the endless amount of hair and muddy paw prints. The Crosswave actually does a decent job of keeping dirty water and clean water separate. When I tested it on a mix of kibble and spilled water, it pulled everything up into the dirty tank without blowing dust everywhere. The multi-surface brush roll is pretty aggressive, which is exactly what you want when you are trying to scrub sticky spots off hardwood floors. But, you know, it is not all sunshine with this model either. First off, it is loud, really loud, and it is corded. Dragging a thick power cord through wet patches on your floor is just annoying. You find yourself constantly doing this awkward dance to keep the cord out of the way of the wet brush roll. And let's talk about the cleanup process. This is the biggest drawback. When you are done cleaning your floors, you have to clean the Crosswave itself. Pulling out that dirty brush roll wrapped in wet pet hair is honestly pretty gross. If you don't clean it perfectly and let it completely dry out, the machine smells terrible the next time you turn it on. 4. DREAME G10 Pro. This is where I started to actually enjoy the testing process. DREAME has been quietly making some incredible cleaning tech, and the G10 Pro is a huge step up from the previous 2 models on this list. Let me explain why this one stands out. The motor on this thing pulls a serious amount of dirt. I tested it on some heavy flour spills mixed with muddy footprints, and it cleared the mess in a single pass. The edge cleaning is also fantastic. The brush roller goes right up to the baseboards, meaning you do not have to go back with a paper towel to get the corners. The best part is how it handles its own maintenance. Unlike the BISSELL, the DREAME has a self-cleaning cycle that actually works. You put it on the dock, press a button, and it flushes clean water through the roller and spins it really fast to dry it out. It takes away so much of the nasty manual labor. It is also cordless, but unlike the Shark, the battery actually lasts long enough to clean a normal-sized house. I got a solid 35 minutes of runtime out of it. It glides across the floor almost on its own because the roller pulls the machine forward, which makes it feel incredibly light in your hand. If you want a stick vacuum mop combo that has genuine power and handles its own dirty work, the DREAME G10 Pro is a fantastic choice. 3. REECOO Vacuum and Mop Combo. I will be honest, I was not super familiar with this brand before I started this testing process, but man, this thing absolutely surprised me. It is designed specifically with hardwood floors in mind, and it really shows. What really caught my attention is how incredibly lightweight and nimble it is. Some of these water-based vacuums feel like you are pushing a lawnmower around your kitchen. The REECOO feels like a regular stick vacuum. You can twist it around chair legs and get under the dining table with almost zero effort. I poured some sticky soda and coffee on my delicate hardwood floors to test it out. You know, the kind of mess that usually leaves a sticky film forever. The REECOO picked up the liquid instantly and left the floor completely dry in seconds. It controls the water output perfectly, so you never have to worry about warping your expensive wood floors. The dirty water tank design is also really clever. It separates solid debris from the liquid inside the tank, so when you go to empty it, you can just dump the solids in the trash and pour the dirty water down the drain. No fishing wet dog hair out of a puddle of muddy water. It is just a really well thought out machine. It does not have 100 complicated settings. You just turn it on and it does exactly what it is supposed to do. 2. Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. If you are entirely tired of pushing a vacuum around yourself, this is where you need to pay attention. This robot uses advanced vision navigation to map out your house. During my tests, it actually learned my floor plan on the very first run. It did not just bounce off the walls randomly. It created a precise grid, moving line by line, making sure it did not miss a single spot on my floors. Here is what matters with the mopping feature. A lot of robot mops just drag a wet pad around like a sad wet sock, but this Shark model uses sonic mopping. The pad physically scrubs the floor rapidly. I let some muddy footprints dry on the kitchen tile, and the Shark actually scrubbed them away completely. You can set up no-go zones right from your phone. I mean, it is brilliant. I told it to mop the kitchen, but stay entirely away from the living room rug, and it followed the instructions perfectly. It lifts the mop pad when it senses carpet, so you never end up with a wet, soggy rug. It is incredibly hands-off. You can schedule it to clean while you are at work, and you come home to floors that look like they were freshly washed by hand. It brings a massive amount of convenience to the table. Tikom L8000 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. I tested a lot of machines, but this one blew the competition completely out of the water. It gives you premium features without completely destroying your wallet. The biggest game changer here is the self-emptying base. You know how annoying it is to empty a robot vacuum dustbin every single day? Well, the Tikom empties itself into a large bag inside the station. I ran this thing every day for 4 weeks and I still have not had to change the bag. It is true set it and forget it cleaning. It uses laser navigation, it maps your house in total darkness and rarely gets stuck. I intentionally left some shoes and cables out to see if it would choke, and it navigated right around them. The precision is just incredibly impressive. When it comes to the mop, it applies real, consistent pressure to the floor while extracting dirt. Combined with its massive suction power, it handled everything I threw at it. Pet hair, fine dust, spilled juice. It handles the transition from hard floors to carpets flawlessly, boosting suction automatically when it hits a rug. The Tikom L8000 Plus is just the complete package. It takes away the daily chore of vacuuming, it actually scrubs your floors, and it handles its own maintenance. If you want the absolute best way to keep your floors spotless with zero physical effort, this is the one to get. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.